Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for SEO. So let's get into it. There are a few ways you can leverage ChatGPT for SEO, starting with keyword research. First and foremost, what I want to do is just paste this in here. I need help with keyword research. Give me as many keywords as you can related to ClickBank. Hit enter. So as you can see, I'm not going to go through all of them, but like affiliate products, marketplace, sales success stories, let's do give me even more keyword. All right, and if I scroll up a little, you'll see we have even more. You can see what we had before, added some more. I'm not sure if all these are going to be completely unique or completely different. So that's just an example of it. Let's go back to a new chat and let's talk a little bit more about how maybe you can find more broad keywords. So with this one, I said, give me long tail keywords related to affiliate marketing. Let's test this out and see if they're actually long tail keywords to begin with. Usually, long term keywords, in my opinion, some of the best ones have very little traffic, but the traffic that they do get convert very well because they're usually so specific and people usually don't create either videos or articles based on this really long keywords. So, overall, as we've learned, I think you just need to be more specific and don't be afraid of asking it more questions. You can really niche it down more if you want. Anyway, this is just simply another tool if you want to use it for that. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.